This is some basic geometry for beginners. Know your instrument box. A ruler or a scale, a pencil, a compass, a protractor, an eraser or a rubber, set squares, and a divider. The most important ones are the ruler, compass, pencil, and protractor. Draw a line AB is equal to 6.5 centimeters. We use a ruler to draw a line. We start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. That is line AB is equal to 6.5 centimeters. Draw a line PQ equals to 8.7 centimeters. Again, we start from 0 up to 8.567. PQ is equal to 8.7 centimeters. Draw any angle and measure it. So we are drawing angle EFG, and we are going to measure angle EFG. To measure an angle, we will need a protractor. Place the protractor on one of the lines so that it matches with the 180 degree line, and slide it till it meets the two lines at the center. Then you count from 0, 10, 20, 30, 30 plus 4, 34. That angle will be 34 degrees. Make sure you write degrees. Angle EFG is equal to 34 degrees. Let's try another angle. Measure angle XYZ. So we will draw any angle XYZ. We will label them X, Y, and Z. Again, we will use a protractor. Place it on the 180 degree line. Slide it till it meets the center point and the two lines. This time we are going to count from the left hand side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 6, 56 degrees. So that is 56 degrees. We will write angle XYZ is equal to 56 degrees. Next, we are going to bisect an angle. So we draw any angle. Then you take your compass, open it at least to a gap of 3 fingers. Cut the two lines, placing the point where the two lines meet. Then where the arc has cut the two lines of the angle, place the point there and make two arcs. Where the two arcs have met, that will be your bisecting point. From there, draw a line to the apex of the angle. And that is your bisected angle. You measure it, place your protractor on one of the arms, slide it till you meet the center point, count it, that's 10, 20, 29 degrees. We will check the angle as well, it should be 29. Slide it down, make sure it's on the line and the points are meeting, and it's 29 degrees again. Next, we will bisect a line AB which is 11 centimeters. So we draw the line AB, (11 centimeters). You take your compass, you open it to more than half the line. Make an arc on top and make an arc below the line. From the other point A, make an arc above the line, cutting the previous arcs and the line and the arc below. Join the 2 points where the arcs have met. That line will bisect AB at point C, and it will also be perpendicular to the line. It's also called a perpendicular bisector. When we measure, we see AC is equal to 5.5 centimeters and BC is also 5.5 centimeters. Next, we will drop a perpendicular on line PQ from a point R outside the line. So we draw the line PQ. Point R is outside the line. We take the compass, place it on point R and cut line PQ on 2 places. Now place the point on the place where they have cut the line and draw 2 arcs below the line. Join point R to the points where the 2 arcs have met. If we measure it, that angle is exactly 90 degrees. We will name that point M, and we can write angle RMQ is equal to 90 degrees. So you have seen how to draw a line with a given length, how to measure an angle with a protractor, how to bisect an angle with a compass, how to bisect a given line with a compass, and how to drop a perpendicular to a given line. Thank you.